Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can block notifications on your Chrome browser. So if you allow sites or you give sites permission to or send you notification on your browser, notification on this side and the rest on your browser anytime you turn on your internet, and then it will be making sounds, interruptions and the rest. I'm going to show you how you can solve that problem. So now let's move to our site settings here. And now let me put you through the process of solving such a problem. So on here, let's move to site settings because you give these sites permissions to do that. Good. So now let's scroll down here. And now let's move to notifications. You can see notifications here. So now let's move to notifications. And you can see on this browser of mine, I've allowed only Telegram to send me notifications. But then there are people that a lot of sites, you see, when you visit these WordPress sites, they have a lot of plugins that they be like opt-in for notifications, and when you tap on yes, that's it. You give them permission to be doing that, they'll send you a lot of notifications and you're going to get bored seriously. So for Telegram, I use it for my stuff, that's why I've allowed them. So to just turn it off, you just need to tap here and then you remove it. So let me remove it. So you see no site added here. So it means I'm not going to get any sort of notifications from anybody. I have WhatsApp, I have Telegram, I have everything on here, but then I only allow Telegram, so I can add them by just entering their URL, something like that. So I'll just need to tap and then enter www.whatsapp.org, and then I allow WhatsApp alone. So that's it on how you can block notifications on your Chrome browser. So I have a video on how you can block pop-ups and redirections so you can check that video out too as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you do well to like and then subscribe to our channel. Peace.